Hi, I'm Mark with Net Insight, and I'm here to talk with Lumen and Net Insight about the new Vyvx Internet Transport solution and the collaboration. Let's start off with some introductions. Let's start with your name and what you do for Lumen.
Yeah, hi, I'm Glenn. I'm in the product organization at Lumen, and I set the strategy for our video contribution and distribution product lines.
Great.
I'm Jonathan Smith, solution area expert for cloud at Net Insight, and I look after our customer partnerships and through to product developments.
Fantastic. Tell us about the Vyvx solution.
Yeah, with Vyvx Internet Transport, we were solving our customers' problems for trying to get the signal up into the public cloud. As more of their workflows have switched to starting with the stream encoding in the cloud, they needed a secure, reliable solution to get the signal up there. Vyvx has been the gold standard in contribution for 3 decades, and it's always been on a private network. So the trick here was to open it up and get that signal up into the public cloud in a secure, reliable manner.
And how did you come to select the Nimbra Edge solution as part of yours?
Yeah, Nimbra Edge was a great choice for us because it was API driven, really important for integrating into our systems. It had integrated centralized monitoring and configuration management, and the Nimbra team really gave us everything we needed to pull it off. Also, having the mix of software and hardware, appliance-based solutions, really worked quite well for us.
Great. Jonathan, tell us how Lumen is leveraging the Nimbra Edge solution.
Yeah, so I think for Lumen, as Glenn spoken about, flexibility, kind of agility and reliability are absolutely key to their product offering. So what we see is them using the architectural components of Nimbra Edge to allow them to make use of easy deployment into public clouds anywhere, but also to give close control over their deployments into their private data centers and all the infrastructure that surrounds that. So suddenly that software-defined network gives them the ability to get anything, anywhere, at a moment's notice and react to their customers' needs. I think when we couple that with the Nimbra 400, adding a gateway service between their existing Vyvx network and the new Vyvx Internet Transport network, suddenly that creates a massive virtual network they can offer to their customers with incredible global reach.
And can you tell us more about how you guys work together to create this?
Yeah, so deployment-wise, we joke that having Lumen on the team is a bit like cheating, because as a service provider, they have a team with incredible technical depth and innate understanding of a cutting-edge cloud technology. So
right.
Kind of as fast as we could provide deployment guidelines to the Lumen team, they were spinning up nodes and regions and getting signals moving through their infrastructure. So from our perspective, we were there to provide hypercare and support to make sure the project was a success and to be there as deployment partners as we move through the process.
And it's working fantastic so far. Glenn, can you tell us about some of the use cases for the Vyvx Internet solution?
Yeah, the main categories of use cases have been linear channel acquisition and distribution, putting TV channels over the top, event contribution, typically from sporting events, although sometimes concerts and other sorts of news events, and then also facilitating all this OTT streaming, getting the signals up into the cloud or to other locations, but usually public cloud these days, where the adaptive bitrate encoding and packaging will begin for the over-the-top streaming process.
Great. Glenn, how's it been working with Net Insight during this implementation?
Yeah, the Net Insight team has been really fantastic. They've been really flexible, collaborative, knowledgeable. As little glitches or things come up, they've been right on it. And the schedule, we've been right on schedule, actually ahead of schedule, I think, which is miraculous, for these kind of projects. And it's worked out really well. Everybody's been really satisfied with the solution, and our first customers are up and running, and it's been working great for them.
Fantastic. Jonathan, where can we find out more about Nimbra Edge and our solutions?
Yeah, I think there's a great host of information on the Net Insight website. So just drop over there and look for the Nimbra Edge solution to find out more.
Great. Glenn?
Yeah, thanks very much for watching us here today. Yeah, you can go to the Lumen website and check for Vyvx Internet Transport, and you've got plenty of information there.
Great. Thanks for watching, everyone.